ora tātou ngau mai hara mai ki tēnei. Tukinga nui whakaharahara o te Super 8 Rugby Challenge ki konei ki ahuriri. As Napier Boys High School hosts powerful and dynamic Rotorua Boys High School, ko enei kapa e rua kei te tihi o te tepu e karema no reira ka tahi te pakanga nui kei muia tātou ko tēnei Battle of Pride, Tradition and whānau. Napier Boys structured discipline, strong through the forwards. Rotorua Boys explosive, skillful, dangerous and broken play. Dale husband, Happy New Year!
Stu Catley in control of the action. Good day, tēnei, moiho. And wonderful to be part of this bilingual celebration of sport on Whakaata Māori. We're underway, 70 minutes of top-class first 15 action coming your way, wherever you may be. Set themselves. They want to be first to score here in this clash. 2 plays 3, Super 8. Retaining the football. This has been a good aspect of their play, moiho.
Te moro e haia re whakamua ana. Ko ahuriri tēnei, e poraka kahurangi ana, topatahi, whaangai whānui, te poro me te karo whakaroto. Rā, ko Sakaraya, Pauri tērā, short side play, he nama, he tāngata, he piro. Tai hoa, he wānanga kei te haere. Koina hoki tāku, whakaro ake ai, tau ke te poro I mui, te putanga atu.
Decent challenge off the kicking tee.
Hea te take I hikina e Ankara I tana haki. Mehe me I piro.
This is some good roll on here from the Sulphur City boys.
Ai, ko ngā paumua enei e mahi ana I a rātou mahi. E toi ana I ngā kairutu. Ka ko pāpā te rārangi wawao, ka tahi ka whāngai. Hia te pauro. Rotorua. Me te karo pāhi whakaroto.
Yeah.
Tāhua.
Tāhua, all right, to the big number 8, Samuel Howe.
Good response there from Rotorua, ngā raukura.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Meke ake nei Dale.
Yep.
Anei love it. Pāhi, whakamua. He poto, tatania.
Tatania, all right, moiho.
Te taha maui I nāenei. Kei raro, I ngā paukaura, kua rua mita. Noho te tawhiti. Advantage played. Numbers on the left-hand flank. Karo whakaroto. Arai, piro. Riley, Winchester, tana piro tuarua.
And the Super 8's, of course, one of the toughest and, I guess, undoubtedly one of the most prestigious secondary school comps in the land. Here is the kick from wide out. Let's see if the flags go up. And they do!
I te tīmatatanga o te kemu, he pakari. So ki au nei ka moro anō ngā paumua.
Here's Jones with the throw-in. Ahuriri, the double around, short one, beautiful finish, rehearsed time and time again. And this one pays off.
We saw the Kai Takaro standing in front of the line out. Normally it's the hooker who wraps around, but this time we'll have another look here. He knew what was going down. Here he comes. Big man up against Curtis Frederick. Tai ho ake tātou te tiro. Aki te whiua Harry Jones. 100% completion rate with the lineouts here, the boys in the baby blue.
Yeah. And here we go. Look, they're in control of the footy again as Bain gets hold of it. Here's a big chance once again. A bit of a hole in the middle. And Napier scorching in their attack today. And a wonderful dot down right underneath the crossbar. You can't write them off. Even with a scoreline like that, there's a big second half to come. And we're not quite finished with the first there, Moiho. Call us home there.
Set piece here from Rotorua. Being able to turn it back on the inside. Not too far away. First chance, real chance for a long time here in the first half. Kei te aha rātou. They're still there.
Yeah, for sure.
Rotorua, Tavake.
Got a feeling.
Plants the ball back. Luke Wasp in there, clearing out.
Got a feeling in Moiho.
That tonight's going to be a good night, Dale.
It could be a good day as well, Moiho.
Nā maiwa. Tēnei mana hatu. Cleaned out with the long ball.
What happened here, mate?
Oh, he...
Man. Heads down, you know what up. Here they come, Rotorua. An all-important try is right in front of them if they can keep their heads at the moment. Napier Boys High School, on the other hand, trying to use all of their defensive structures, practice and qualities here to deny the Sulphur City men. O'Moore puts it out. Good defence as well again.
Got to go wide if you can't go up the middle.
This is classic stuff. Again, it's out to Cruz Conroy. He gets close. Napier, ton of pressure on them at the moment. Rotorua recognise they've got to hold the football, but it doesn't work out for them. From the Bay, the Hawke's Bay. Great game for Harry Bain. This time the tackle is big too. Sakaraya Paidi. Rubber kick through, bouncing forward and beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And is that try number 3 hat-trick time for Riley Winchester?
Here, Piro Atima.
Right at home, it's nice. It's got enough legs on it. We'll love it.
Look nice off the tee, head down. Yeah. This is school holidays of term 2. Dale, our next game will be on the 25th of July when Plymouth take on Napier. A couple of weeks rest here for the Super 8 competition.
Yep.
However, in terms of the CNI, there's another game coming up.
I'd like to single out Will Lovett as well. He's had a remarkable game. This is an immense victory here today and a fantastic performance from the boys from MΑORI. An unexpected big result for them over Rotorua Boys High School. And Moiho, both teams will have an opportunity now to go back onto the drawing board. They've got a couple of weeks where they can evaluate what went wrong, what didn't. They'll both be there or thereabouts as we fight for the Super 8 title. But a big, big win today here for Napier.